Doctors versus Yoga Guru Ramdev face-off has escalated to a new level now. Top doctors associations have all come together to protest against Ramdev over his remarks on allopathy. Doctors are holding a black band protest at hospitals against the Yoga Guru across the country. Last week, Ramdev sparked a massive row after he called allopathy a failed science and blamed it for COVID deaths. He even mocked the vaccination drive, claiming that doctors are dying despite 2 doses. The doctors hit back at Ramdev, calling his remarks discouraging and accused him of promoting vaccine hesitancy. Doctors have demanded that Ramdev be booked for sedition. The Uttarakhand IMA unit has slapped out 1,000 crore rupees defamation notice to Ramdev and demanded a written apology from Ramdev in 15 days itself.
All doctors are hurt by his statements, which he is saying again and again against the modern medicine, against those COVID warriors who has lost their lives. 1,200 to 1,400 doctors in the country has lost their lives treating the patients since the first wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. He should be acted, and under Epidemic Act he should be booked, but I don't know why the government is not taking action against him, and that is why we are gathered here and we have tied the black badges to all our resident doctors. Today, the resident doctors of AIIMS New Delhi will work in the COVID and non-COVID duties with the black badges on their PPEs.
Let's now listen into some of Ramdev's remarks that have caused huge uproar.
खैर अरेस्ट तो किसी वो जो है उनका बाप भी कोई नहीं कर सकता स्वामी रामदेव को लेकिन एक शोर मचा रहे हैं कि क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव, क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव। कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी ठग रामदेव, कभी महाठग रामदेव, कभी जो है कभी गिरफ्तार रामदेव। अब चलाते रहते, चलाने दो। तुम अपने लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा बीच बीच में अभी प्रैक्टिस हो गई है ट्रेंड चलाने की, और आप वो ट्रेंड में हमेशा ही टॉप पर पहुंच जाते हो। इसके लिए भी आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन।
लाखों लोगों की मौत एलोपैथी की दवा खाने से हुई है। जितने लोगों की मौत हॉस्पिटल न जाने के कारण से हुई है, ऑक्सीजन न मिलने के कारण से हुई है, उससे ज्यादा लोगों की मौत ऑक्सीजन के बावजूद हुई है, दवा एलोपैथी की दवा मिलने के बावजूद हुई है, स्टीराइड की वजह से हुई है। लाखों लोगों की मौत का कारण एलोपैथी है। मैं कहता हूं एलोपैथी साइंस पूरी खराब नहीं है। मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस का हम स्वागत करते हैं, साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी का विरोध।
And there's a rage against Ramdev, against these kind of remarks that are coming in against the doctors of our country. Let's get you. Delhi, 22nd May, doctor's body has filed a police complaint against Baba Ramdev. In Uttarakhand on 26th of May, 1,000 crore rupees defamation notice has been slapped. Chhattisgarh on 27th of May, IMA unit has filed a police complaint against Ramdev. In West Bengal on 30th May, the IMA has filed a police complaint too. On 30th of May, you've got this particular police complaint coming in against Baba Ramdev. And of course, the chorus is growing against Ramdev. Ashutosh Mishra is getting us all the very latest details. He's joining us from outside AIIMS Delhi. Ashutosh, you know, needless to say, the doctors are going to be extremely upset on the kind of insensitive comments that are coming in from Ramdev, given the fact that they are frontline workers working day in and day out to save patients, and to hear these kind of things for someone so influential is definitely something is not going down well, and we've seen that with the kind of complaints IMA has put across.
Absolutely, absolutely. And when you have a followers, some millions followers, and that to stature like Yoga Guru Ramdev, when he says something, that certainly affects the society. And clearly, this is the time to boost the morale of the doctors or the frontline workers. Remember, these doctors were right standing behind me at AIIMS Hospital in the national capital. Many of them have lost their loved ones, their friends who used to sit them along. You know, they are sacrificing their life to save lives across the country. And now when you lower their morale during this critical time, that's certainly, and now that's what we see that has resulted to escalation at this level. Why it is also being seen as allopathy versus naturopathy versus homeopathy. So all these sort of things being invoked in. But is it the right time, and is it going to escalate further? Dr. Amandeep, what Ramdev said, he also expressed the regret that what he said about it. Is it time to really escalate the fight?
Actually, he is escalating. On the one side, he is regretting, and on the next day and in the every day since he has released the letter, he's saying again and again about the modern medicine, about the doctors of the modern medicine. The statement which he says that the 1200 doctors died even after taking vaccination doses, वो खुद को नहीं बचा पाए, they haven't saved themselves, they were not able to save themselves what they can save to the country. So these statements are after the letter they have released, he has released. So continuously he is making fool of our people, country people, saying them that the vaccine is not necessary, saying that these modern medicine doctors are foolish, they are of no use, they cannot treat COVID, उनके पास कोई दवाई नहीं है, this. But can you understand what it will have an impact on the common man of the country who just listen to something and just to say, on the one side,
Particularly when the scientific temperament is required. But Dr. Dinesh, is it going to be a fight between the allopathy and the homeopathy and the Ayurveda?
No, it never was fighting between allopathy and Ayurveda. It is the fighting against the statements of Baba Ramdev. As he is saying that the doctors could not save themselves, then how is it possible they can save the Indian population? So it is the fight against the Baba Ramdev statements only.
It is fight against the Baba Ramdev. Perhaps that's why they first saw the legal step. They sent defamation notices, they sent legal
Yes.
notices. And now as a symbolic protest, these front foot warriors, the doctors are staging
And
protests.
you know, Ashutosh, Ashutosh, it is our responsibility as well to put it out there that all these doctors that we see on our screens right now, they are not protesting against Ayurveda. They are not protesting against homeopathy or any other kind of alternative sciences. They are objecting to what Ramdev has said, and perhaps also we can ask them whether they even feel that Ramdev is somebody who represents Ayurveda or not, and the answer definitely is going to be in a rhetoric which is going to be a no.
Absolutely. You propagate, you talk about yoga, you amplify the value of yoga, the significance of yoga and the significance of Ayurveda. That's another thing. But at the time, crucial, remember, be it Ayurveda doctor or the allopathy doctor, both are playing their role during this critical time. So clearly, the question is also being asked that do you think that Ramdev is the only person who represents this yoga and Ayurveda, or he is just one person who has amplified the significance? What his battle is going to be all about?
This is a total different scenario. If you're talking about the Ramdev is the only one he is capable to do yoga, the Ramdev is not a yoga guru, I think, because he is we have our previous ancestors, our Patanjalis, our different yogas guru. Those are actually the one who is introducing the science of yoga and everything. But Ramdev is currently making money from out of them the supernatural sciences and all.
The kind of personal remarks if keep coming from you or the Ramdev, this is going to only escalate the fight. How to end this deadlock when the country is really struggling through the crucial time?
Basically, we are not interested in any fight because we don't have enough time. We have to do something for our people. So we are not going to fight anymore or something that we are saying that this is the situation. But the Ramdev...
You heard these doctors, and let me also tell you that none of them have skipped their duties. Those who are in OPD, ICU, wearing black marks, doing their duty, those who have discharged their duties, are here staging protest and speaking out. Back to you.
Absolutely. Ashutosh, thanks for getting us that report. Top doctors counter Ramdev. Take a look at this exclusive debate between Ramdev and the doctors.
बाबा जी, आज आप एक चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट कीजिए इस टीवी डिबेट पे, लेवल 3 कोविड वार्ड में जाके 3 हफ्ते ये धोती कुर्ता डाल के काम कीजिए, मैं फिर बात करूंगा। हमें शौक है मरने का।
ये धोती कुर्ता के ऊपर आप बात मत कीजिए डॉक्टर साहब। आप अपनी साइंस को सर्वशक्तिमान मत मानिए।
मैं मानता नहीं।
आज मैं करूंगा तो आप क्या करेंगे डॉक्टर साहब?
आज मैं ओपनली कह रहा हूँ, विष्णु जी और माता धन्वंतरी शर्मसार होंगी
आप सर्वशक्तिमान, आप भी अपनी साइंस को मत मानिए। मैं तो कह रहा हूँ कि सारा काम मैंने ही कर दिया और ये लंगोटी और धोती आपकी मेहरबानी से मैंने नहीं पहनी है।